Welcome back to Quiz Factory. In today's video, we'll guess the Christmas song by Emojis. We prepared 40 questions and you have 10 seconds to answer. For each correct answer, you'll get 1 point. Let's see how many versions you can guess correctly. It's gonna be fun. If you're ready, please subscribe to our channel and let's get started. Can you guess what Christmas song this is? So wonderful! It's Jingle Bells. Do you know this song? Christmas Baby, Please Come Home. Guess the name of this tune. It's the most wonderful time of the year. Let's keep guessing. Good job! It's All I Want for Christmas Is You. What's this Christmas song? You're great, that's the Christmas song. Can you find the odd reindeer out? The odd reindeer's in the third row. Next emoji. What Christmas song do you guess? That's right, that's the song I'll Be Home for Christmas. Guess the name of this tune. It's Happy Xmas, War is Over. Do you know this song? So great, the answer's Christmas Tree Farm. Great job, keep guessing the song. That's correct, it's White Christmas. What about this song? Nice, it's Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. Any guesses? Very great, it's the song Santa Claus is Coming to Town. Can you find the odd Santa Claus out? Time's up, let's check your answer. The odd Santa Claus is here. Next track, are you ready? Wonderful! This song is Run, Rudolph, Run. Which Christmas song do you guess? So good! Last Christmas is the name of this song. Guess the name of this tune. Little Drummer Boy, that's for sure. Let's keep guessing. Grandma got run over by a reindeer. Any guesses? It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Can you guess what Christmas song this is? That's great! It's Fairy Tale of New York. Do you know this song? Driving Home for Christmas is the correct answer. What about this song? So good, it's the 12 Days of Christmas. Can you find the odd snowman out? Time's up, and this is the odd snowman. You did well. Next emoji. What Christmas song do you guess? I Saw Mommy Kissing Santa Claus. Guess the name of this song. Awesome, it's Mistletoe and Wine. Let's keep guessing. Santa Can't You Hear Me's the correct answer. Which Christmas song do you guess? Well done! This song's called Santa Baby. Guess the name of this tune. Amazing! Silent Night's the name of this song. Next track, are you ready? You got it right, it's Santa Tell Me. Which Christmas song do you guess? Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. What about this song? That's amazing, it's Blue Christmas. Great job, keep guessing the song. Of course, the answer's Holly Jolly Christmas. Can you find the odd Christmas tree out? Have you found the odd Christmas tree? It's here. Which Christmas song do you guess? Rockin' Around the Christmas Tree. What Christmas song is this? Great, this song is Silver Bells. Next track, are you ready? It's Joy to the World. Guess the name of this tune. Fantastic, that song's name is Frosty the Snowman. Any guesses? Very good, Sleigh Ride's the name of this song. Let's keep guessing. Well done, it's Go Tell It on the Mountain. Do you know this song? Great, the answer's Christmas Lights. Can you guess what Christmas song this is? Yes, Baby It's Cold Outside is the name of this song. How many Christmas songs can you guess correctly in today's video? Please share with us your score in the comments. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the Quiz Factory channel for more fun challenges like this, and see you in the next video.